Hello, teacher. My name is Ana Maria Rodriguez Diaz, and today I will talk about my dream job. My dream job will be to be a chef, play the piano, and be a writer. These are very relaxing and exciting jobs. If I were a chef, I would work in a restaurant. If I were a pianist, I would work giving concerts. And if I were a writer, I would work from home. Being a chef, my job is to cook. Being a pianist, my job is to play the piano. Being a writer, my job is to write on any subject or invent any story or narrative. The most exciting thing about being a chef is being able to create new flavors. The most impressive thing about being a pianist is that its melody has a meaning and allows you to bend. The most impressive thing about being a writer is being able to imagine a world and put it into words. Thank you and subscribe. Bye bye.